a nigga hit the lottery, so when you going up, how can you plummet? Damn, you stun it. On the land, when you expand the grands, they understand who run it. In the gym, you brung it. Coming from all the fans, the Kansas City man do.
You guys, it's me, Bossy. Welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm going to be doing another What I Eat in a Day video. So, yes, today's video is going to be a little more simple. Hold on, my shirt's a little too big, so I'm sorry if y'all see boob crease. But, yeah, I'm going to be making my breakfast. For breakfast today, we're just going to do scrambled eggs, some avocados, some Too Good yogurt, and some sausage. And then I might have for snack maybe some almonds, a little bit of almonds. And then later tonight, I'm having a nice big cheeseburger with a nice big salad or some jicama fries. I don't know yet. It's still up in the air. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all how I make some of the stuff. Not completely, like, because it ain't no recipes. I'm just gonna show you how I prep my food or get it ready for the day. I'm actually just now coming off of, in about 10 minutes, it'll be time for me to break my 64-hour fast. I did an extended 64-hour fast. The last time I ate was Wednesday at 10:02 was the last time I ate something. 10:02 p.m. to be exact, and I get to eat today at 2:04 p.m. and today is Saturday. So I did from Wednesday to today, Wednesday night till today. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking. Hey y'all, so first thing I'm doing is just breaking up one egg and using my 21 Salute seasoning that I got from Trader Joe's just to season it, and a little bit of my fave pink Himalayan salt and onion powder, and we're gonna mix it up and set that to the side. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my avocado. I'm never good at cutting these, especially with getting that little big seed or pit or whatever you call it out. Y'all see one side is so small and the other side is huge, but I'm just gonna slice the smaller side to put that with my breakfast. I love avocados. They are so good. It's so much stuff I used to hate, and this was one of them, but I love it now. It's crazy. It's so crazy to me. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get all that peeled, and now I'm adding some butter to the pan, and I'm adding my chicken sausages to the pan. And of course, I wanted some Too Good vanilla yogurt, only 2 grams of sugar. And I'm just going 2 spoonfuls, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some blueberries. And I think I add a little more, and that's what that looks like. Now it is time for the egg. So I'm just gonna let that cook up, scramble it, and we are done with breakfast. Here we go. Looks amazing. Oh yeah, I'm about to eat. Hey. Okay y'all, so I'm finished making my first meal today. I had to get me some good Louisiana hot sauce to put on my eggs. So I'm just about to add some of that to my eggs. And I'm about to eat. I don't know if I can finish all the yogurt, but this entire breakfast is literally 6 carbs. So 6 carbs for this breakfast. That includes the sausages, the avocado, the yogurt, and the raspberries. So, you know, I can have 20 a day. So this is 6 for this entire meal. It's a little later in the day, and I'm about to have a little snack. I'm about to have some of my Thai lime and chili almonds. I got these from Trader Joe's. Pros on this, it is 15 grams of fat. It is 6 minus 4, so it is 2 net carbs, and that is for 1/4 cup. Now I'm not gonna eat 1/4 cup of this, and it's 7 protein and 1 gram of sugar. So I'm just gonna get a little handful, just, let's see, about this much. This is actually my first time trying these. My husband had them, he liked them. They said they have a kick to them, so. They nasty. These are not nasty. These are good. So, oh shoot. Okay, y'all, so it's later in the night. It is a little later than I would like to be eating, but I've been out shopping, school shopping for my kids and everything. So tonight I'm gonna make me a falafel, and I'm gonna show you how I make it. A falafel burger, I should say. Also, y'all, I meant to say burgers, not buns, and I got the recipe from Keto on Instagram. The burger buns I'm using, this is what I'm using for the falafel: eggs and cheese, of course my waffle maker, my Dash waffle maker, and then I'm gonna also have a nice size salad to end off my eating window. So I'm gonna try to start cooking because it is getting late. It's actually 8:41, so I want to be at least start eating before 10. So yeah, I'm gonna start cooking. So let's get into it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and crack 3 eggs, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix them up and then set that to the side. Now use any cheese of your choice, but do a light little layer of cheese on your non-stick waffle maker. And then I'm just going to add a good amount, not too much because you don't want it to spill over when you close it, of the egg mixture or the eggs, and add more cheese on top. It's really simple: cheese, egg, cheese, and close it and let it cook. Now I'm just putting my seasoned burger patty on the grill. Here are all 4 of the falafels I made. Listen to that sound. Oh my God, I cannot wait to put my burger on these waffles or falafels. They look amazing to me. Oh my God. So I have my falafel burger, cheese, onions, and lettuce, tomatoes, ketchup, and mustard. And then I have my salad here. I had to pick out as much carrots. I forgot that mix had carrots in it, and carrots have lots of carbs. And then I'm having the rest of my avocado ranch. And I have my Quick Trip ice water, nice big cup of Quick Trip ice water. So I'm about to grub and try this burger out, and I hope it's good. Not bad at all. So I'm gonna finish eating, and I hope y'all enjoyed this what I eat in a day video today, and I will see y'all in my next video.